Want a way you can free up more playtime and less clean time? Hey everyone, I'm Spencer with Malibuparts. As always, we are trying to find the best way to boat and share it with you. When we were introduced to Babe's Ceramic Seal DIY formula, it quickly became a staff favorite and a must-have for every boat out there. Babe's Ceramic Seal DIY formula is an easy, do-it-yourself ceramic coating application you can use on any boat. But what is ceramic coating? Ceramic coating is a longer lasting coating that forms a solid molecular barrier that is highly resistant to chemicals, corrosion, UV exposure, and high temperature. Babe's nano ceramic sealant technology creates an impermeable layer around the exterior of your boat, preventing dust, dirt, and marine life from adhering to it, warding off corrosion and oxidation, and mitigating stains and marks. In layman's terms, this means that you won't have to worry about your boat looking good and can spend more time having fun on the water instead of in the garage cleaning. The application process is very simple and can be done by anyone. You will want to make sure to follow the right prepping steps, such as buffing out any faded gel coat and giving the boat a good cleaning. You will also want to start with Babe's ceramic prep to remove any wax residue, silicone, or other contaminants that could potentially hinder the coating's performance. Once the surface of the boat is prepped, you can apply the ceramic sealant using a clean rag and the provided sponge. The coating can be done in an afternoon and will leave a showroom shine on your boat for up to 12 months. During that 12 months, you can periodically use Babe's Boat Bright as a great companion to help the coating last even longer. To maximize your time out on the water, head over to Malibuparts.com and order your Babe's ceramic sealant today. While you are there, check out all the other parts and accessories we carry for your boat. Our team is available via live chat, phone, and email if you need any assistance. To find other ways to make your boating season the best, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It was great to see you here, but we can't wait to see you on the water.